This is one of the simplest airdrop you're going to see on this space, like of today. So you want to try this in 2 minutes and you are ready for that church service, party, any occasion you want to rock it to. So I got the material, which is 3 layers, not too long, and I joined them together to form like one. Now pleat it down like that. The open part is going to be what I'm going to pleat down like this. Then I grab my band, use it to replace my hand in order to be firm and able to stand on its own. Now I'm going to stretch it out at the middle part and place on my head. Direct excess to the back gently. Make sure I grab of grabbables and I'm going to twist it downward. You can grab a band and force it to grab yours, but I just twisted directly, dip the excess into the band I have up here, the one I use for the pleated part. Then I adjusted before I move back to the front. I'm going to direct the edges of this pleated part to the side and secure them down with my pin, and I use the silver pin, which is all the pin that tailors uses. They call it office or affix pin, I'm not so sure. And this is the final result. Then you can testify to this that this airdrop is absolutely simple and it is a beginner friendly one. If I'm right, let me know in the comments and I'll